Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display, then go to font size and style, and here select font style and change the font style to available options. Here Samsung 1, then Gothic bold. These are only font style available within your phone. Okay, select from here. Okay, otherwise if you would like to download font from internet, click on download fonts here, and it will be moved to download page. Just wait. Galaxy Store agreement is showing here. Just click on agree, and here it is asking you to update Galaxy Store. Just click on update, and it's installing. Just wait. Now go to download fonts option, and here lot of fonts are available. Top fonts are available here, but they are not free to use. Okay, if you click on anyone, it will ask you to pay some money. Okay, I am selecting this one. Oh no, you can click on apply. Yes, it has been applied now. Go to the settings, then go to display, then go to font size and style. Click on font style. Yes, downloader font is now applied. Samsung Sans. Again I go to the download page, download fonts, and I click on another one, this font. So other fonts are not free. Okay, these are only top paid, only top free. There is no top free as of now, because I have already one selected. First one I selected is free one. Okay, so you go to sign in with Google to enter into your Samsung account, and then you can download some fonts, but they are not free. Okay, so if you are willing to pay some money to download these fonts, you can do it with signing into your Samsung account. Okay, so in this way you can easily get some fonts from internet. Okay, suppose if you would like to change back to default font style, click on default option here, and default font style will be applied. If you would like to bold font, click on this button. Okay, and the font will be bolded. Okay, so in this way you can easily change font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.